morning, guys. This is my second video yet. Today we're gonna be fishing out here in these rapids and hopefully catch a fish. It's a little fast today, as you'll see in a second. So go try our hardest and see what we can catch, and I'll see you guys there.
Alrighty, going down to our first location. Here's our first cast today, guys. Here's our first cast. Alright. Nothing on our first cast there. This water's fast. I don't know. Not liking it. Oh my gosh! No! Okay, that's funny. I did think I had one on for a second, but it just I really don't know, because half my worm's gone. I don't know if I got caught on that log or I had the log the whole time. I really don't know. Thought I felt something bite, but it might have been that log. Alright, got a new worm on. Come on, baby, first fish. Let's go. Guys, what a fish. Look at that fish, guys. Let's go. No. Look at that. That's probably like 14-incher. It's like my fourth cast of the day. Look at that thing. Beautiful fish. It's a little dirty, but I'll wash it off in a second. Just for one fish, huh? What a fish! Alright. Let's go, guys. Shoo. Alright. Let's go cast out there again and see what we can get. Got a new worm on. Let's try right here. I swear I feel bites, but I know I'm gonna regret this fast part, but a little bit closer to the edge. It's doing fine. Needs a little bit more water. Here, let me have my rod back. Well, you can actually have this back. You messed up my worm. No. You want to try a new spot, Logan, or are you liking this spot? I'm not liking this worm. So I'm not liking. Oh my God. Alright. Right there. Hopefully it takes it. I don't know if I got enough fast stuff right there. I hope I did. No way! Come on. So Logan just caught the best fish of the day. I'm gonna try a couple more casts, Logan, and if not... Oh my gosh! No! No! Oh my gosh! Alright guys, so right now we're just getting more water. That way the fish is healthier and ain't dying on us. Alright, let's bring this up to the truck. Try not to lose as much water as possible. Easy on it a little bit.
Alrighty everybody, let's go down to the first spot. We only caught one fish. It was like the fourth cast, surprisingly. So, this is beautiful rainbow. So, we're gonna move on to the next spot. I'll see you guys there. we're at a new spot. So hopefully we can go catch some better fish than the last one. I'm hoping we can catch at least 2 to 3 at this spot, because we only caught one at the other spot. We cast about 15 times each, so like 30 casts in total, and we just didn't catch anything. So I'm hoping this spot's gonna be better, and let's go see what we can do.
All right, I'm walking down here. I'm gonna try to throw it like right there and kind of like let it slow down. See what I can do. Try and get in that. No way, guys. All right, that's how you get a worm out of the tree, I guess. Could have been bad. Was not trying to realign today. All right, let's see what we can do now. Fresher worm might help too. I think after this spot, I'm gonna move down that way. See what there is. I kind of like the flow of this better. It's not as fast, but I don't really know. What do you think? No way. No way.
So this fish here, I got this real quick. It's all we caught that we could keep today, or we just went fishing at. So I'm gonna get this real quick. Just gonna grab right here, pull all those guts out, just like that. Just if there's any leftovers or anything, just get it and also toss out. Throw that in there. Kind of missed a little bit bad gut, but got it. And then get that, you get in the water and just scrub it all out with your finger. I'm gonna try to get as much of that out as you possibly can. There you go. There's your gutted fish. Probably clean it up a little bit better. There we go. All right. It's cooking time now, so let's get into it. We only caught one keeper today, so I'm gonna try and fillet it and cook it on my propane grill and see how it goes, and hope you guys enjoy. For the seasoning, I'm gonna use lemon pepper Kinders, and I'm gonna use that just with some regular salt and some regular pepper, and that's what we use for the seasoning. We tried it plenty of times before and it's really good, so that's what I like and that's what we use.
Almost finishing up here with the fish. It's looking pretty good, guys. Put it down a little bit. go, guys. Over here. All right. There we go. All right. It's done cooking. Now it's time to taste. Let's see. Let's just get a piece off right there. Look at that.
That smells good. Look at that. It smells so good.
All right. Ready, guys? First try. Let me blow it off first. It looks a little hot. Just a little hot, guys. All right. Now that you cannot beat. All right. That sums up for this video. I'm gonna go enjoy this inside, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know we didn't catch that much fish, but I just appreciate you guys watching to the end of the video, and I'm gonna enjoy this. Try that.